nice here because it's off the road, so we've got a long path, so we have to walk far to get here, but once we're here, it's quite close to the bush. What we try to do in the garden slowly is just planting things that grow endemically in New Zealand. We'll kind of just try and recreate that sort of environment that the birds want to come to.
There's a lot more tuis these days than there used to. That was the kaka. They'll go to extreme lengths to find bugs. A lot of the trees down on the path, they're all covered with line that they dig bugs out of.